So guys, in this video we are going to see the construction progress of the bashorun Akobo Barracks Road, and this is going to be starting from the Akobo Road. We are starting from here, from the Akobo Road, so you get to see what the construction progress of the roads actually looks like from here to Idiakbe, guys. So make sure you stick around, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this video, guys. Idiakbe Akobo Road is one of the major roads within the Ibadan metropolis that is strategically located, as it serves as a link to 3 local government council in Oyo State, guy, in the state in Ibadan, guys. So this is a major road, guys, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. You can see the road right now, guys. There are some lightning beside the road that are not yet fixed. Starting from here already, you can see that, guys, but this is what the road looks like as of now, guys. So I try to show you what the current construction progress of the road. This is the kind of content I make, guys, and I like making this kind of content, guys. So make sure you share this video. I don't know why this road is not yet completed. I do not see the workers there yet. I don't know why they didn't work on this day, but I think they're actually working, because when we move towards the Idiakwe side, you will get to see the construction progress from there. Very smooth, guys. So guys, make sure you share this video so everyone can know, and we can reach the workers to be back there so they can finish this road so quickly, guys. In this road, over 200 existing communities between bashorun, Akobo, Olonda have an average over 500 vehicles, both private and commercial purpose, that plies this road on daily basis, guys. So and during this progress, there has been a lot of traffic jam lately, so we just hope let's share this video, and guys, support my channel. I make this kind of videos showing you everything you need to know about my country, Nigeria. And this is me here in Ibadan, Nigeria, guys. So I'm trying to show you this. So guys, make sure you stick around and watch this video, and so you're going to see what the road looks like over in Idiakwe, guys. You'll be amazed, guys, and I think this is going to really change the the road, the environment. When this project is completed, guys, it will surely change the look, and so you can see from here, guys, the electricity there are fixed already. They put the road side is there already. Now you can see it's getting more better from here. I think they're already working from this place. They make the road. So guys, make sure you like this video and enjoy the rest of the video. Do not forget to subscribe as well.